Okay, this video is maybe a little bit weird for you because we talk a lot about the friend zone when you put a guy in the friend zone. You know, when he will be your best friend, you will hug him, you will tell him nice compliments, he will always be there for you. We know that he wants to be with you, but you're friend zoning this guy. I want to tell you something because I've coached so many women since 2007. Men also have two friend zones, not just one, but two. And they are very different. So I wanted to share the situation that I'm seeing in coaching. So maybe this will help you get some clarity. And of course, if you want to work with me, you would find all the information in the description box below. So I've coached so many women that will tell me, Alex, it's weird because we meet all the time. We talk a lot. We have such a deep connection. And sometimes we will end up not having sex, but make love. He's so gentle. He's so calm. It's just like we take our time. It's like a fusion of two bodies that are together, and it's incredible. But in the meantime, he's not trying to engage the communication. He would not really ask me out. We have someone that is kind of waiting for you to do the step. You know, he would tell you, yes, but it was not my intention. I was not the one initiating. It was you, blah, blah, blah. That's what he's trying to do. But the first friend zone is a friendship with a lot of love, with a lot of connection, but you are the one making the job. You are the one reaching out, organizing the date, and then he starts to take a little bit of leadership. The second friend zone, it's actually the opposite. When we meet, it is a firework of sex. It is a firework of emotions. And when we don't meet, he would send me a lot of pictures. He would talk about his mom, his sisters, his coworkers. He would make you be part of his life. And he's the one initiating, but you will only meet in a room, like in a room, in the bed. So you meet, you have sex, but you don't go out. You're not enjoying the moment. You're not having a deep kind of connection with some memories. It's a very much sex-friend relationship. If you found yourself in one of those two situations, I want you to know that it's normal because I've seen those situations a lot since 2007. The first one, it is very challenging because you feel like two souls connected to each other. But at the end of the day, he's not paying attention to you. He's not reaching out to you. He's not really like engaging. It's kind of like when you meet, the world stop. When you meet, he's amazing. He's a gentleman. He's so sweet. But when you don't meet, you don't exist. And this is quite very challenging for you. On the opposite side, it's the opposite because this guy will always be in touch with you. He will always talk to you, but he will never ask you out. He will find a way to meet you in something that is easy for him. He will come to your place at 11 p.m. at night. You will go to his place. And at the end of the day, you will be a little bit suffering. So remember something, ladies. Men will always think in terms of boxes. So you're in the box of the friend zone. You're in the box of the sex zone. You're in the box of, I want to be with her. And so if you stay in the same box, nothing will happen. So if you continue to see him, if you continue to have sex, if you continue to initiate, if you continue to say yes when he asks you to come to his place, at the end of the day, you are validating the situation. Like, I'm okay with being sex friend. I'm okay with being in this dynamic where you don't have to chase me. You don't have to attract me. You don't have to invest in me. When you're facing this situation, you know that you are allowing him to act this way. So we need to change that. Situation number one, we want to make sure that we won't text. And if we have to text, we want to make sure that we meet. But at this moment, we cannot kiss him, we cannot touch him, and of course, we cannot have sex with him. And if he wants this, you can just tell him that, you feel like the emotional connection is better. You feel that the emotional connection is what is very important between the two of you. So let's not give him what he wants. And you will find that this guy that was so sweet, that was so in control, he will start to freak out immediately. The first time, he will do anything to regain control. But it will be very subtle. He will be very like with the words, so the communication and the mind. Don't let him fool you. On the opposite side, situation number 2, if this guy wants to see you, you can of course say yes, but for an activity. We don't want to have sex. We don't want to be in a room. We don't want to meet him at the same situation and the same place as usual. So your goal and your challenge right now is to make sure that you will find yourself very much positive and that you will be able to say no to him. Saying no will make you scared, of course. Saying no will make you feel that you will push him away. Saying no will make you feel that he won't be happy. You see those fears? We need to fight them, ladies. And the good news is, I've created so much resources, some private videos that you can access in the description. I tell you exactly what to do, what to say. How can you really challenge him, be a challenge, but also how can you be vulnerable to give him the space of still being a man? So we have to find the right balance between, hey, I won't give you everything, but I'm still giving you the position to be a man. So this way, he cannot see that you really have changed. He cannot realize what's going on. And that's when we can develop the feelings, the real love. Okay, ladies? So I want you to understand that you can just get a cup of coffee like me. You can take your time. Because this guy will realize your value. And if you are in one of those friend sex zone, it's very easy to step out. I have a perfect formula for you. Click in the description to watch the free videos. You can also apply for private coaching. So the private coaching is very simple with me. We talk on the phone. We develop the strategy. And then every single day from Monday to Friday, I will respond to you if you receive text message, if there is communication, if there is some follow-up email with the coaching, but you will never be by yourself again. And ladies, let me tell you that that's why we have so much results. Like the guy you like, the guy you want, the guy that is putting you in a sex zone. He doesn't know what's coming for him. So please leave me a comment if you have any question on your situation. Click in the description and you will find out that I can help you. I will see you soon, ladies. Take good care of yourself.